Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Pullback Indicators. In today's video, I will be telling you a new strategy. Just 2-3 days before only we posted a new video of 3 candle closing strategy. This strategy is similar like the same. If you haven't watched that strategy, you must watch that also. The strategy which I will tell today is very much similar to that specific strategy, but it have some different rules. But in this strategy, we would be needing closing of 4 candles, right? We don't have any candle colors parameter. So any 4 candles will be working and the logics will be very similar to that specific strategy. Also, it's important to generate a good consistency and good profits in the market. So once you will be consistent in the market will itself start giving you the rewards also. So for that consistency, you will be needing the help of an indicator, that is pullback indicator. As we all know, it's a 5-in-1 indicator. For using this strategy, we would be needing the help of pullback indicator, and version which I will use is Super ALGO Advanced. Just press OK on the mode version, and here you will be able to see the indicator. This is how the indicator looks like. So now let's focus on the strategy. Currently we are watching Australian dollar chart and it's on 3 minutes time frame. Now just remember that whenever you will get the signal, this is the first signal that buy put is being plotted on the indicator. So on this specific candle, we got the indicator, this one. So the strategy is very simple. As soon we will see the indicator, we will just mark the low. As the signal is saying buy put, that means we have to look for the short side. So what we can do is we can simply mark the low of this candle. Now we only need 4 candle closings just to take the entry, and our stop loss will be only getting triggered once the price will break this entire level, this level, or the reversal candle level, and if it gives the 4 candle closing on the above level, then only we will consider a stop loss. Otherwise we will remain in the trade, right? So this logic is very much simple. What we can do is we can simply wait for the breakout. Now see, we got the 4 candle closing on this specific zone, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We can quickly look for the short side now. So we can short the trade on this specific zone, and we just have to remain in the chart, and we will simply look for the rallies which we will get. Okay, so this is the overall logic behind this strategy. I will show you some more examples also. So hope you have understand this. So it's very simple, that just take the entry once you see that there are 4 candle closings. Just take the entry, right? You just saw that 4 candles closing happened on this specific point, and we have to only focus on 1:2 only, right? And you can see that after trailing also, such a big reward has been given by the signal itself after the breakdown of this specific zone. Okay, so now see, the price went up also. Price tried to went up, and here on this specific zone, when reversal candle also got plotted, and after the breakdown of this specific zone, see, I told you that you can mark the high of this specific zone, and I need 4 candle closings, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here you can exit the trade. And that's why initially booking 1:2 is important, so that once the partial profit is being booked, and if the price gets reversed also, and if the stop loss also gets hit, so you can be in a break even situation. Okay, now let's see some more examples also, what is happening in the charts. Now look here. So what happened here on this specific zone, we are having a signal of buy put. This was our first signal, and then immediately a reversal candle also got triggered. Let me just mark this level. This is the blue line which I have marked. This is the high of the reversal candle, and this is the low of the first signal candle. So now we are having these two zones. We are having the low of the signal candle, and we are having the high. What we can do is, we can, in case if they are very much close to each other, I can simply make one bar for better understanding. Okay, so this is the high and this is the low. I will quickly make one specific bar here, and let us just extend it first of all, right? This bar will be very important for us because momentums can be seen from this zone only, because it's detecting somewhere where the price is eventually getting fluctuated. Okay, so now understand, we got the closing 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here we will short the trade on this specific candle. We will short the trade, and then the price went up, not a problem, because our stop loss will only get triggered once the price will reach here, and it will give 4 candle closing on this specific zone. Then only we will leave the trade and we will look for the opposite trade. But what happened, we took the entry here, price went up and it immediately fell down from this. It touched the level and it respected the level and it fell down. So here we will achieve the downside rally. We shorted the trade on this specific zone, and then from here to here we have achieved this much of points which we were looking for. And also make sure to book 1:2 on the initial stage, right? Then only it's better. Then only you will be in a win situation. Okay, so now see what happened here. So what happened now? The price now for those, now look for those who are looking for the long side. What they can do is, we have already marked the level, and then we got the closing of 4 candles which I have already mentioned, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and here you can take the long entry. See how beautifully it's working. We took the long entry over here, and we can easily achieve after trailing this much amount of rally, right? And the price also went down, but no need to worry because it doesn't broke the level and it bounced back, and then it was in a sideways zone. Let's see some more examples. Now see what's happening here. So I have connected one single bar. See, this is the high of the candle and this is the low of the reversal candle, right? Now what we can do is, we just have to look for the 4 candles closing. Now for looking for short trade, we only need 4 candle closing. 1, 2, 3. No 4 candles were there, so let's ignore this. Now it went upside. It's gone for the buy side now. So let's see if we are having 4 candle closing. So on this specific zone, yes, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, this is the perfect entry area. But unfortunately that the price reversed and it also broke this level also, and then our stop loss also got earned, 1, 2, 3 and 4. But it's not a problem. We can give a small stop loss and quickly, right, we have given the stop loss on this specific area. We can quickly short the trade because it's a new entry of short siders, right? People who are looking for selling opportunities, they can quickly enter on this specific zone. This entry they can consider, and from here to here easily 1:2 can be achieved, right? And then what happened? Price again went up, so new buyers can again get activated. See, again we got the closing just like before, 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4, or you can consider 1, 2, 3 and 4 on this candle also. Maximum 4 candles we have got on this specific zone, and we can look for the long side and see how easily the price got reversed and such a big massive rally can be seen after trailing, right? From the specific zone till here after trailing, it's such a big rally which we have easily achieved. So this is the overall concept. It's very unique strategy and it's work vice versa. Very simple to use, and lot of good rewards can also be seen in this specific strategy. So one quick example on European chart on 3 minutes time frame, and just see here. Here also same thing we have to consider. Buy call we got, and we got the reversal candle also. So just mark the high and low of both the parameters, right? I have marked both the signals and stretch it. Just stretch it. Okay, now see what is happening. Initially what happened, that we got 4 candle closing on this specific zone. What we can do is that we can simply look for the first 4 candle closings. So on short side I got 4 candle closing, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what I can do is I can short the trade on this specific area, right? I can easily short the trade on this specific area. Okay, but what happened, the price went up, but my stop loss didn't trigger because I was looking for 4 candle closing, and none of the candles has given a proper closing on the above level, right? And quickly the price immediately fell down. This is the benefit of being in the trade initially, right? And see, easily we have scored. Easily we took the entry over here on this specific zone, and after trailing till here, easily we have achieved 176 points. And again on this same respected area, the same level, price again reacted. It went up, but it was unable to broke the area, and more downwards rally can be seen on this specific zone, right? On this specific zone. So easily you have observed that from this level we took the entry, and after trailing, such a big reward is being provided just because our stop loss didn't trigger. Okay, and on the same above level, if you see, traders who are looking for the long side entry, we got closing 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 candle closing happened on this specific zone, and then you can see such a big upward rally can be seen. Same vice versa happened once again, and this is the overall concept and strategy on this video. So you can simply practice this strategy with the help of pullback indicators. For using pullback indicators, you would be needing the subscription, and for subscription, the link we have already provided in the same description below in the same video. And for any query, you can directly message me on WhatsApp and start practicing it. You will really enjoy the momentum which these respected rebels are showing, right? Don't be afraid of trading. Start dominating and start minting the trades. Until the time, thank you everyone for watching this video. We'll meet in the next videos. Have a good day, everyone.